Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we got dual exhaust, your classic backup camera, roof spoilers, mud flaps on the rear and front with the nice looking rims. We do get blind spot detection on this vehicle with a lovely remote start, perfect for the cold winter months, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You got a nice little hook there, can collapse your last row if you need additional storage with storage below with a tire pressure sealant kit. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, adjustable rear seats. You got plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course, cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat and manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got your lights right here. And plenty of room with floor mats. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 5,426 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control, lane centering. Digital speedometer with my view, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, some storage here with some outlets, center console with tons of storage, ignore the phone and keys, tool climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards, and your media controls, storage below, and we got this nice big infotainment system with your audio, navigation, so you're just your compass and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, with your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right in here. Gives you some examples like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Stingray Karaoke, and YouTube. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8445, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.